Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use JavaScript to draw pictures. If you want to draw pictures, then there is Convas element present in HTML. With the help of this Convas, you can draw anything, whatever you want to draw. So today in this video we will draw a rectangle. I will show you that how you can draw a rectangle, how you can give color to it, and how you can draw an empty rectangle. So let's start. So here first of all I will create the canvas element inside HTML. So here inside the body I will first of all write here canvas and I will give it an ID and I can give it any name. I am giving it name as canvas and I will give it a width and you can give any width to it and height also. So I am giving it a width and height of 200 pixels. Now my canvas element has been created. Now I will draw pictures on this canvas using JavaScript. So here I will write script and inside this script I will create any variable and let's say I am giving it a name as variable CNVS. I am giving it this name and canvas is equal to document dot get element by ID and here I will give the ID which I want to get access. So I want to get access to this canvas element which is present here in HTML. So I have stored this access into this variable which is CNVS. Now after this I will create another variable and I'll give it any other name like CNTX. Now here I will use this variable which I have created and with this variable I will write here get context and inside this context I will write 2D. Now what does it mean? Here this get context is an object which is containing many methods and properties to draw on the canvas, and with the help of this we can use many methods and many properties to draw on the canvas. This 2D is an argument which I have given and it is showing that I am going to create a 2D picture on the canvas. CNTX dot, this is the variable which I have created. I have stored this into this CNTX and now I will use this CNTX dot fill rect. Now this fill rect will create a rectangle and inside this fill rect I will give the dimensions. So here I am writing 0, 0, 100, 100. Now what are these? So 0 is the x-axis and y-axis of the most left corner of the screen, and this 100 is the width and this 100 is the height of the rectangle. So now let's save it and let's see what happens. So I'll save it and here you can see a rectangle has been created and it is at the most corner position of the left side of the screen because I have given 0 value to this. If I make it, let's say 40 and 40 here also, then you can see that it has changed its position to here. So here now it has taken 40 pixels from here and 40 pixels from here. Now if I want multiple rectangles, in that case how will I do this? I can do this with the help of loops. For example, if I want multiple rectangles, then I can use for loop here, and inside for loop I will give a variable name and variable I is equal to 0, and after this I will put curly brackets and I will write this thing inside those curly brackets here. But here now I will not give the numbers. I'll write I here, also I will write I here, and I can write any number here. For example, let's say 10 and 10 here, and here I want it to multiply by, let's say if I multiply it with 10 and multiply this one also with 10, so every time whenever I will, if I is equal to 0, then it will be at 0, then if I will take the value 1, then it will take the value as 1 into 10, that is 10 pixels, and 10 pixels here, and width and height will remain 10 and 10. In the similar way, when I will take the value 2, so it will take the value 20, and here also 20, means from x-axis and y-axis it will get shifted to 20, and height and width will remain same. In the similar way, it will go up to 8. So this is how you can create. If I save it, you can say here, I'll refresh it, and here you can see. So first of all, it was having value 0 0, and it was at the most left corner, and here now it has after that taken the value of 1, and 1 is multiplied with 10, then 10 and 10. So here it has taken the place of 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, 50, 60, 70. Now if you want to change the colors of these rectangles, see, you just have to do one thing, and that is you have to write here cntx dot fill style, and here you can give any name, any color to it. I'll give it red color, and after this I'll save it, and here I'll refresh it, and you can see the color has been changed to red. Moreover, we can also create such rectangles which are empty. I'll use again, this is cntx in which my this canvas has been stored, and I'll use cntx dot stroke rect. I'll use stroke rect here, and again same thing I will use here as I did in fill rect. In stroke rect also I will give the dimensions here. So in this way I'll give it those dimensions, and after this I'll save it, and I'll go here again and I'll refresh it, and you can see here that empty rectangle has been created. And if I want to give it any kind of color, see, to those boundaries, if I want to give any color, then similarly here also I can do the same thing. Here also cntx, I'll write cntx, and here I'll write stroke style is equal to, if I want to give it blue color, I'll write here blue, and I'll save it, and here I'll refresh it, and you can see it has got a blue color here. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel to give support and motivation. Have a nice day. Thank you.